Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy little box card here, or 3D box card. It wasn't until I actually put it all together I realised it started to look like a TV, especially with the little scene that I've got going on in here. So I definitely want to revisit this one, do some different sizes. I think it'd be great for a teenager, maybe with their favourite TV show in there or something. But I've done these little enamel dots there to kind of look like controllers on the TV. But this is using a new Bagpuss collection, which I'll show you in a moment. You've got a lovely little phrase there from the cartoon and birthday wishes at the top there. So it's a really easy, quick style to make, so let's get started. So this is the cute Bagpuss little mini collection. So you've got the 6x6 paper pad, you get 4 pattern papers and 2 topper sheets, you get 4 of each, there's plenty in there, and you've got your ephemera pack there. I think there's about 37, something like that in there, different images. I'm also using the Inverted Scallop nesting dies. These are the square ones from Creative Craft Products. So to make the box shape, first of all, kind of laid out roughly how I think I'm going to do it. So you want a piece of 11.5 by 6, and along the long side there you're going to score at 1, 5.5, 6.5 and 11. Fold and burnish all of those score lines. So this end is your tab, and that's going to stick behind that one. So you can see there we got our little box, but I want to cut the aperture and stick my pattern paper down. So I'm going to use this paper from the packs. It's this one here with some, using these two here. You've got some lovely bright ones. The stripe's lovely as well. I'll put a little Bagpuss playlist together of all the cards that I've made using this paper pad, and you'll be able to find that there. So that one's going to go in this part, and that measures 4.25 by 5.75. So I'll stick that one down first. Okay, and then I've also got these two for the side panels. So these are 3/4 by 5.75. So I'm going to stick those down. Then I want to cut my aperture. So I'm going to have it towards the top. So I've already prepared. This is one of the ephemera pieces. I've just cut it out just so it had like the bright pink border. But I've taken that off because I want to stick with the lighter pinks. And then I've just popped it with some of the navy card there behind, so it just matches this here. So I'm going to have something like that, and then I think I'm going to have him and the mice inside. I'm just going to tape that in place and run that through my machine. So this will go through a standard die machine. Okay, so that's cut away nicely, and then for the frame I just cut myself a piece of white card that was 3.5 squared, and then I just cut that same die in the middle. I don't know if I gave the measurements of this one, if you want to do a similar size, about 3 1/8 squared. So I'm just going to stick that one down. I mean, you could put acetate behind this if you wanted to, turn it into a little shaker window. So I'm going to fold all those back round, and then I want to stick my pattern paper inside. So it's the same size as this piece, but you're sticking it inside this panel here. Then I'm going to add my glue along my tab. I'm just going to cut just a little bit off of each end there, just so that nothing sticks out. And I'm going to use my quick grab glue all along there. And then if you fold that one down with the glue tab and then just fold that one over, then it should all line up. You want it to lie flat because that's how it's going to go in your envelope, and then fold it back. It's up to you which way you pop it in the envelope, that way or that way, but that will go into a 6x6 envelope. The final size is 5.5 by 6. There you go. How cute's that? Really simple little style. So now I can have my sentiment there. I'm going to pop him up on some foam. You could add a little wobbler in there or something if you wanted to, but I might change that one actually. Let's have a little look, because there's so many nice little images in here. But I've used Bagpuss on quite a few samples already. The main man himself, although that does look quite good. But I just think with the little sentiment that I've got, I think it works well with all of the things. All of these, they were all things that were found. See that one? I like it, but it's got the bright pink border. I don't really want to use that one. What about this one? 'Cause that's the same paper. That could be quite nice. Yeah, I like that one. That works. It actually looks like a TV set. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll call it. Little TV box card. I almost want to put a little aerial on it now as well, and have some like little buttons or something. Okay, I'm going to add another sentiment along here. It just needs something else. Just have that slightly overhanging. So I've just cut that from the paper pad. And I've just added a few little enamel dots there. So they kind of look like the controls of a TV. It definitely gives me a TV look. I think it'd be quite fun to revisit this for maybe some like teenage boy cards or something like that. I think it's a really cool, easy style to adapt. That's everything finished. You've got all your space there on the back to write your message. All folds flat, and that will fit into a 6x6 envelope. And again, really easy for the recipient to know what to do with that one. So thank you as always for watching today. I will link the product that I've used in the description box below. I'll have coming up now some other fun box tutorials that you might want to watch next. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. And I'll be back again very soon with more tutorials. Take care. Bye.